If you have 2 ripe bananas sitting in your kitchen, don't throw them away. Turn them into this incredibly soft, moist, and chocolatey banana cake right in your air fryer. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, and you don't even need an oven.
First, we're going to take 2 ripe bananas. The riper your bananas are, the better they are for this cake because they're naturally sweeter and give the cake that lovely banana flavor and soft texture. Peel the bananas, place them into a mixing bowl, and using a fork, mash them really well. Now add half a cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla. Give everything a really good mix. We want the sugar to start dissolving into the mashed bananas. As you continue mixing, you'll notice the mixture becoming smoother and slightly more liquid. Now place a strainer over the bowl because it's time to add our dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. For that beautiful, soft, and fluffy cake texture, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Once everything is sifted, gently start mixing the wet and dry ingredients together. Now pour in 1/4 cup of oil. Mix that into the batter. The oil is going to help give our banana chocolate cake a wonderfully moist and tender texture. Next, add 1/4 cup of milk and mix everything together again. Look at that beautiful chocolate batter. It should be smooth, rich, and easily pourable, but not too watery. And now for our final ingredient, add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give the batter one last good mix, just until everything is combined. And our banana chocolate cake batter is ready. Now, I'm using a 7-inch cake mold that fits nicely inside my air fryer. Lightly grease the inside of the mold with some oil. Then place a piece of parchment paper at the bottom. This little step makes removing the cake so much easier once it's baked. Pour all of that delicious chocolate banana batter into the prepared cake mold. Now, lightly tap the cake mold on your work surface a few times. This helps release some of the larger air bubbles trapped inside the batter and also helps level the top. I'm adding some chopped pistachios over the top. They add a beautiful pop of color and a lovely little crunch to every slice. Our cake is officially ready for the air fryer. We're going to bake the cake at 170 degrees Celsius for approximately 40 minutes. Air fryers can vary slightly, so towards the end of the cooking time, check the center of your cake with a toothpick or skewer. And look at this! Our air fryer banana chocolate cake is beautifully baked. The top looks gorgeous with those toasted pistachios, and the smell of banana and chocolate together is just irresistible. Let the cake cool down for a little while before trying to remove it from the mold. Once it has cooled slightly, gently loosen the edges if needed. Then carefully unmold the cake and remove the parchment paper. And now comes the best part. Let's slice it. Just look at the inside of this cake. It's soft, moist, and chocolatey with that delicious sweetness from the ripe bananas. If you enjoyed this easy air fryer banana chocolate cake recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves chocolate, and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipes. Now grab yourself a slice and enjoy.